guys, what's going on? It's good to see you again. Welcome to your Quick Tip Tuesday. We made it through another week, so congrats on that. Today's tip is all about how to start planning your overlanding trip and what that research phase looks like. Hey guys, step one, you might have guessed it, pick where you're going, right? Choose a location, start researching some of the pre-established routes that are already out there, because we're not Lewis and Clark. We're not gonna establish our own trails through the woods. We're gonna use things that are already there. We're gonna operate under the tread lightly and leave no trace mindset. If you're looking for a good way to research those routes, Gaia, Onyx Off-Road, or the Overland Bound app are all great resources to start looking for those routes and see what they're all about. All right, so once you have your route established, start looking at what's available in the area along the pathway you're going, where there you can fill up your gas tanks. You can stop for food if needed, if maybe your planning wasn't where it should have been, or what the cell phone coverage is in case of emergency. Those are the big three, but you can add or subtract to things as you see fit as you go. From there, I like to watch YouTube videos or search forums and start talking to some of the people that have maybe done these trips before and start getting an idea of what we're getting into. And that allows me to start making an assessment as to whether my vehicle is properly equipped or not and what I may need to bring. All right, so we know where we're going and we know how we're gonna get there. The next thing to check is the weather for the time period we're gonna be out there. That's gonna let us know how we should pack, what the trail conditions might be, and if they're going to change halfway through, and if we have a schedule to keep, how that might affect our daily mileage. If at all possible, I recommend traveling in groups, and maybe you can divvy up some of those responsibilities and each person can have a planning phase of their own. If you can't travel in a group, or you don't like to travel in a group, or maybe you don't have any friends, I apologize for that. But at least let somebody know where you're going to go and where you're going to be during a certain time frame, the routes that you expect to take, the campsite areas that you intend to be in, and what to do if you don't make contact at that pre-established time so they can start sending help for you. All right, folks, that's a quick down and dirty way to start planning your trip. And if you have any suggestions or things you like to do, go ahead and drop those in the comments below so other people can read them and we can start building that discussion up. That's gonna be awesome. Hey, I really appreciate you joining me on this second Quick Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you on the trail.